driving these country roads.
So we have 1 hour 29 minutes until we reach our destination. During this drive, I've been craving for a iced latte.
I'm gonna get her an iced latte. That's it too.
No, I want an iced caramel latte with no cinnamon, please.
Okay, iced caramel latte. So Dunkin' Donuts girl, iced caramel latte.
Iced caramel latte.
Strawberry donut with sprinkles. Chocolate donut with sprinkles.
That is correct.
And that is all.
That's it? You don't want
I
anything?
don't want that.
All right, you guys. So this drive has been pretty well. I've been driving for, you want to say 4.5 hours maybe?
Sure.
4.5 hours. The roads have been curvy, swervy, swirly, twirly.
So, New York, Dunkin' Donuts. The kids and the wife want a Dunkin' Donuts. They got the RV parked in the middle of the road right there. 2 playgrounds.
At the main street.
Yeah, there's 2 playgrounds though. Welcome to Yogi Bear. And guys, she did the whole 6 hours drive.
Guys, I'm not sure if Leroy has updated you. They left me. They left me in the RV.
My dad. My dad.
So you need a private time.
No, I said I needed to potty. TMI.
My dad.
Yeah, so they left me, you guys. Oh, Lord.
Oh,
So yeah, as I was saying, I'm not sure if Leroy updated you
Dad,
guys with
no
the.
to my-
We
no
are
with
the only,
Dad.
the only family,
Reservation.
the only family, the only reservation with actual people staying at this entire campground.
And we're the only ones here. Dad.
So as we were driving in,
What is it?
I kept saying to Leroy that I didn't want to stay. I said something just seemed off. There's a bunch of
Right there. What is that?
trailers, fifth wheels here,
But none of the trucks are here.
but there's not one soul, not one car, not one SUV, not one minivan, not one person, cat, dog, fish. There's not one person here at this entire
We're
campground.
the only ones here, but unless the ones.
No, the workers are gone.
What?
And even the employees left us here, 3 p.m.
They came in to work just to check us in.
Yeah, so we were the only reservation. So
we're
that
the only
means,
ones here?
yeah,
So no, we're employees or anything?
no employees.
Oh my.
So this is going to be pretty interesting
So can
and
we
dark.
do whatever we want?
You can't do whatever you want, but you can definitely have the playground to yourselves.
So no, you know, if you want, you can just break a bunch of rules without them knowing because
Yeah.
you're not here.
We're not rule breakers, okay?
But I broke some
We're
rules.
trendsetters, no? Guys, we are the only people here. And I feel like I still need to whisper because the silence is real. So I had to make a phone call to the campground office and ask them, was there a reason for why we aren't seeing any people? Where we didn't hear anything? Right, Leroy?
We all got spirited away for Halloween.
No.
Like the Emmys
I
on
was
Bill
terrified, you guys. But it's really nice out here. Like,
My mom is lazy. Funny does a loop. Because
it does a loop. Okay.
skeleton dog.
So right now we're walking to one of the playgrounds that they have here.
Wait, I actually saw a moose.
Now what I was told is most of these people leave their RVs here for the season,
Dad, look at this.
and then there are some people who come here only on the weekends. This is so cute. It's giving us ideas for when we do find a place to stay. So eventually we're going to take a chill pill and find a home for about 3 months. But this is really nice. They have, look at this, guys. They have this so adorable. This is awesome. Like, don't get me wrong, our kids love to share, but they love it when They can just be themselves together. They're in here somewhere. Hey guys. Hi.
We're stuck in this car.
You're stuck. You probably should take off your shoes, Kai. Let's leave right down there. I don't know what these little tire things are, but those look pretty cool. Wow, this place is nice. So this is a nice dog park here.
Zinger.
A zinger!
Out back. Right there.
Oh yeah?
Out the back. Out the back. Out the back.
Alright guys, so we are just taking a night walk.
Out the back. Out the back. Out the back. Out the back.
Wow.
Out the back. Out the back. Out the back. Out the back.
And
Out
then
the back. Out the back.
there is a
Out the
ghost.
back. Out the back.
And then I'm going to cook some dinner,
Out the back. Out
give the boys a shower. Well, Leroy's going to
the back.
get the kids ready for bed.
what's that?
I'm going to cook dinner.
Over there.
And we're going to start fresh tomorrow.
It's a lot of wood stuff.
Oh, that is the playground.
What in the world?
What in the road?
It's not strong, but it is big. Go to it?
Yeah, that's where you're going.
Wait, so that's... Say, here we're going to the sandcastle. We're going to the beach today.
So here is one of the playgrounds.
Why is it
Kids Coral.
This is not...
This looks like Splinter Haven. My goodness.
Somewhere you can get splinters.
You get a splinter everywhere, so take it easy.
It's more for like parkour and playing tag.
Oh, I don't well not want to play tag on this. Sheesh. Play.
It's like parkour.
This playground right here is going to make your kid tough.
It's a slide. It's a wood slide.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's kind of like the one
But it's a good slide though.
like the one in North Carolina.
Yeah. You know
It's
the
a
metals.
slide. Oh,
The
these
metal
are-
slides bring you.
These are fast
Yeah. Not only are they fast, they are hot.
They're actually cool.
It's
Yeah,
cool
go.
right now. We're all excited, you guys.
Slide right here.
This is cute.
This way.
Yeah, there's another slide here too.
Look inside.
Okay, you gonna come with mommy? I'm scared. Come.
Look. Oh, there's a bug one.
There's a fly. All right, you guys. So I'm only filming because, again, there's no one here at the campground. Follow mommy. I got you. I protect you. Let's see.
Sometimes bugs don't get me.
Sometimes they don't get you. Let's see what's back there. Come. Follow me.
I saw these before.
You
Yeah,
did?
I went close to it.
Oh,
I just went.
That one is
close
locked.
to it, and it didn't even sting me or nothing.
it didn't sting you or
No.
nothing?
No.
Oh, so this is what it looks like, guys.
Bruh.
So,
Take go.
shower
Take
head.
go. Who wants the cake go? Here's the cake.
Ah! Okay, we gotta go because if that's a mosquito, that is like absolutely frightening.